Well, today I'm going to take a little bit of break from working on the 55. It's actually some nice weather today. It's probably one of our last few days we're going to have that's decent. And I've chopped up the two-door. I chopped this piece off whole. So I'm going to go through it and take kind of what I want off of it. Chop the rest up for scrap. So I actually already have 2 or 3 dashboards and all sorts of stuff there. So I'm sure let's take some little bits off, make it into some manageable pieces so I can toss it in the truck, because it's heavy the way it is. The other thing that's happening today is I actually sold this. So I bought this Nova as a parts car for mine, so it's just a roller. There's no driveline in or anything. So I got it pretty cheap. It had no title or no nothing with it, so I had to go through that whole process. And once I started looking at it, I pulled the whole interior out for my car, but it's actually pretty solid. It needs a little bit of floor work and stuff like that. And I had dreams of making it, tubbing it out, making it into kind of a drag car or something like that, but other projects kind of came up and a guy offered me money I can't refuse, so it's going away today. Well, there you have it. Everything was good. I took hinges, trim, I took the heater motor and miscellaneous stuff, the heater box, all the whatever I could get off of it. Now you can really see how rotted this thing is. Leftover pieces is the last load I'm going to do, so all up in there was rotted. I only sell those panels, but I mean, halfway up the firewall and all that, it was just had enough. Up here even, I mean, how much work do you want to do to save a two-door, right? Well, it's off with its new owner. Hopefully that guy fixes it up and gets on the road.